No, not woohoo, you need a new bed. How about Canyon King platform bed? The Canyon isn't just a bed, it's a complete sleep solution. This set includes a stunning matching headboard and footboard, both adorned with captivating chevron carvings, adding a unique touch of sophistication to your bedroom decor. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to organization. The Canyon includes 2 spacious storage drawers beneath the bed, providing the perfect solution for your bedroom storage needs. Keep your essentials neatly tucked away, while maintaining a clean, minimalist look. The Canyon's platform design ensures superior support for your mattress without the need for a foundation, promoting a restful and comfortable sleep experience night after night. Click on the link in ClickNest bio. Click follow to stay up to date with all offers. ClickNest, where clicks bring benefits.